Today we are going to make a delicious fish burger for diabetics, and the ingredients we are going to need are fresh stockfish, almond flour, eggs, butter, pepper, just one, carrot, half carrot, lettuce, onions, and mayonnaise. At the same time, we are going to need a very small non-stick aluminum frying pan. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when a new video is out. You can get this small frying pan from any local store. So the first thing I did was to clean the fish, put it on the fire, salt to taste, and then bring to the boil. Allow the fish to cook and then remove the bones and put aside. I think I'm going to need just one of this fish. You can use any type of fish. You can use salmon, you can use croaker, whichever one you prefer. Then bring out your almond flour and then take 2 to 3 tablespoonfuls into a bowl. Crack the egg, add the egg to it, and then mix thoroughly. Don't forget to put salt or Maggi to taste. Then add a little butter into the frying pan and allow it to melt. You can use olive oil if you prefer. Then add a third of the mixture into the frying pan. This is what we are going to use as bread. So spread it and make sure it covers the frying pan. Allow it to cook for about 2 minutes, then turn it over. Allow the other side to cook, and then you can remove it from the frying pan. Repeat the same process for the second half of the bread. This should be on low heat so that it doesn't get burnt. Then use the third part to mix the fish and the pepper and the carrot. As I said, I used just one pepper and half carrot. Mix it together with the third part of the almond flour. Make sure it mixes very well, and then you can add it to the frying pan. Add butter to the frying pan and then add the mixture. Allow it to cook for just about 2 minutes. Then turn it over to the other side. So everything is ready, the bread is ready, so we can now make the fish burger. Half of the bread is already in the plate. Then I added the fish burger, added onions, added cucumber, and then I added lettuce, top it up with mayonnaise, and then I put the second half of the bread on top of it, and that's it. Our fish burger is ready. I can't wait to have a bite of this. It really looks very yummy. With this recipe, you are not really missing anything. Even if your friends are eating out, just let them know that you are eating better diet. You are eating better food. That you are diabetic does not mean that you cannot enjoy. You can enjoy even better meals than what you buy from outside, especially those junk food. Look out for more in my upcoming videos. God bless you.